Hello and welcome back to episode 7 of the Geography Revision series. I hope you're finding it useful so far. Subscribe down below so that you don't miss more from me, and let's get going. Today we're looking at reducing the effect of tropical storms. So, monitoring and prediction. Developments in technology have made it possible to predict and monitor tropical storms more accurately and effectively. This can be seen through Hurricane Watch, which advises that what hurricane conditions are possible, and then hurricane warnings. This advises that hurricane conditions are expected and that people should take immediate action, such as to evacuate to higher ground or to take shelter. Protection. There are a number of options available to protect people from the hazards associated with tropical storms. Windows, doors and roofs need to be reinforced to strengthen buildings to withstand these really strong winds that come from tropical storms. Storm drains need to be constructed in urban areas to take away the excessive amounts of rainfall and to prevent flooding. Seawalls could be built to protect key areas and keep properties from storm surges. Houses close to the coast can be constructed on stilts, what you expect them to look like, so that a storm surge can just pass beneath the houses, but they need to be strong because of this. And in Bangladesh, nearly 2,000 cyclone shelters have been built. Planning. It's unrealistic to stop tens of millions of people living and working in coastal areas that are at risk from tropical storms. Many people rely on it for fishing and tourism or to make a living. But planning to reduce the tropical storm hazard is mostly about raising individual and community awareness so they know what to do if there is a warning of a tropical storm. People actually need to understand the dangers and be able to respond effectively. So we're going to be looking at the question: explain how protection and planning can reduce the effects of tropical storms. So there's a two-pronged approach, a two-level warning system: Hurricane Watch, Hurricane Warning. We've got our protection. So these are things like building protection to withstand strong winds, so reinforcement, storm, drain, planning, which we've briefly touched on, seawalls, houses built on stilts, cyclone shelters. These are all examples of protection. And then planning. This is so much about education and informing people what the risks are and what they can do to respond effectively. So that is the end of episode 7. I hope you have found it useful. Subscribe down below so that you don't miss more from me, and I will see you tomorrow at 7 AM. Bye guys.